Hooked? Why your product stinks at getting users hooked. Right, you're here because your product's failing big time. Congrats! I'm about to rescue you with near Eyal's, but get ready, this is gonna hurt. First up, let's talk about the basics. You know, that little thing that makes people use your product? It's all about engagement. Internal triggers, external triggers. Sound familiar? These are the cues that prompt users to take action. No? Of course not, because you've probably just slapped a sign up now, button on your homepage, and thought you were done. But it's not that simple. Users are drowning in apps, all yelling for attention. It's a noisy world out there. You need to get to their basic instincts. Tap into what drives them. Think, what makes people do things? What motivates them to take action? What are their problems, their wants? Understand their pain points and desires. The key is to connect your product to feelings and habits. Make it indispensable. If your users aren't automatically going to your app when they're bored, stressed, or avoiding work, you're doing it wrong. Look at Instagram. They've nailed it. They want connection, to feel good about themselves, a happy feeling. That's what keeps them coming back. So ask yourself, what feeling does my product help with? What emotional need does it fulfill? What habit can I become a part of? Make your product a natural part of their daily routine. Next. Oh, you've got users to click on your app? Wow, you got them in the door. Now what? They're staring at your app like it's some impossible puzzle. Where's the simplicity? Where's the instant reward? You need to make using the app super easy. Think one-click buying, easy navigation, simple design. If signing up is harder than climbing a mountain, just delete your app now. Look at TikTok. You open the app and bam! Videos are in your face before you can even think. You need to make your app like a comfy chair. It should be so easy to use that people would rather spend hours scrolling than think. So get rid of the junk, make it simple, and please make it look good. Chapter 3. Variable rewards. Spice it up. This chapter is all about keeping your users engaged by adding an element of surprise. Lesson 3. Variable rewards. And no, that doesn't mean giving users a prize every second. It's about creating anticipation. Think about it. If users know exactly when they'll get a reward, the excitement fades. But if they don't know when the next reward is coming, they stay engaged. People like surprises. Ever heard of a slot machine? There's a reason those things are so addictive. The unpredictability keeps people coming back for more. The hope of a prize, the waiting, the thrill of not knowing, that's what keeps them hooked. It's the anticipation that makes the reward so much sweeter. Mix up your rewards. Give them something to look forward to. Variety is key. Different rewards for different actions keep the experience fresh. Offer special content, early access, personal suggestions. Tailor the rewards to your users' preferences to make them feel valued. Surprise them. Right now, your product's rewards are as exciting as a cup of cold tea. You need to spice things up to keep their interest. Look at Candy Crush. It's a game that makes you feel like you're about to win big all the time. The game is designed to keep you on the edge of your seat. You match 3 candies and bam! Explosions, lights, happy sounds. It's a sensory overload that makes you want to keep playing. It's like winning the lottery, even though you're just moving candy pictures on a screen. That's the power of variable rewards. Make your product exciting. Give your users a reason to come back. Keep them guessing, keep them engaged, and they'll keep coming back for more. Chapter 4. Investment, make them work for it. And finally, we dive into the essence of user engagement. If your users aren't putting something valuable into your product, time, information, content, they'll never come back. It's crucial to make them feel invested. They need to feel like they're part of it. This sense of belonging is what keeps them coming back. When you put effort into something, you care about it more. It's a psychological principle known as the IKEA effect. You're more likely to stick with it. The more effort they put in, the more they value the outcome. But if it's all getting and no giving, they'll leave you quickly. Users need to feel their contributions matter. You've built an app that only takes and doesn't ask users to give anything? What a joke. It's a recipe for failure. Make them work for it. Challenge them, engage them, and make them feel accomplished. Encourage them to make profiles, connect with friends, add content. Look at Duolingo, it's a perfect example. It's not just a language app, it's a club. A community where users feel they belong. They've made learning a game, added streaks and leaderboards, and made it something to be proud of. This gamification keeps users hooked. Make your users feel like they own a part of your product. Personalization is key. Help them make it their own, to care about their progress, track their achievements, and celebrate milestones. Because the more they care, the less likely they are to leave. Invest in their journey, and they'll invest in your product. The host leans on the whiteboard, arms crossed, his face a mask of exasperation. He looks at the camera as if he's just witnessed a culinary crime of epic proportions. Well, there you have it. The hard truth about why your product is failing. Stop making products that people use once and delete quickly. You've got the tools now, use them. Like the video, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, what's the most useless app you've ever downloaded? Go on, make me laugh. Until next time, don't mess it up.